What's up? This is Chicago author Darren Laurie, and I'm about to make chicken marsala. As you can see, true 49ers fan has some type of gear at all times. Of course, I got to rep the 49ers. Got my name on the back. Doesn't get any better than that. Okay, so a couple of things. I took some chicken breast, tenderized it. I've got all of my seasonings and everything out. What the final product's going to look like is right here. And that's what it's going to look like once it's done. But in the meanwhile, we're going to make two more pieces. We've got a little mushroom. We've got some Marsala sauce. Olive oil is what it's going to be cooked in. We've got chicken, and it's inside of the egg, so that we can then coat it with our seasoning, which is basically a little bit of flour, a little bit of spices, whatever your favorite things are to put it in there. So we'll see how this turns out. It's going to be quite the undertaking because it's my first time doing it. So I've already got one piece slow cooking. And I'm going to go with from here is taking a piece of the chicken, which has been soaking in egg. I'm then going to take it and add it to the seasoning. Make sure it gets fully coated. Maybe take a spoon, cover it up completely. Again, we're not deep frying, we're just coating it though. And you don't necessarily have to do it with flour. It could probably be panko or any other type of seasoning, any type of breadcrumbs, whatever you prefer. But you definitely want to get it fully coated. As you can see, I'm kind of dusting things up a little bit here. And then once you're ready, it's going to go into the skillet. Now once it's in the skillet, again, you're slow cooking. You're not fast cooking it. So it's going to take a while. So that's why I showed you what the end product will look like. Because it takes a while to slow cook it. Otherwise, I basically would just be frying chicken. And we don't want to do that. So it's coated pretty well. Again, the fire's on low. You got just enough oil to cover the pan. And you might as well clean up as you go. So this, I'll go ahead and start washing. We should not need that anymore. Same thing with the egg. We're done with that, so I'll probably get rid of this. Thank goodness for garbage disposal. Everything's go down there. Rinse as you go. Now, if the chicken pieces are very thick, you can always fillet them. You need a very good knife for that. So that's one thing you can do. I was going to add onion. I add onion to everything, but this time I think I'm going to hold back and just see how the mushrooms do because supposedly they absorb whatever flavor that they're in. I have a number of different oils that I use. I'm not going to go with name brands, but I have a number of different oils that I like to try just to experiment with. And of course, house full of seasoning. Again, chicken is slow cooking. When I get ready to add this second mixture and mix everything up, I'll show you what that looks like. That'll be part 2 of this video.